Morning, everybody. Let's see. Yep, volume's on. Keith, 1970. I think we're good. All right. Today is, I have no idea. Today is the 12th. 4/12. Today Friday? Hold on. Today is Friday. Yay. Wow, how cool is that? How's everybody doing this morning? Is there anybody here this morning? Hopefully y'all are sleeping. I think I'm going to be on for a good long time today, probably about 4 hours. So no rushing anything. I'm going to take my time, whipping through whatever. Let's see where we're at. All right. And let's see what's going on TikTok. Live will begin shortly. Oh. All right. And still nothing on TikTok. All right, now we're live on TikTok. Okay, cool. Oh, we can see underneath it. Nice. I'm going to go ahead and post the thing on the bottom there then. Interesting. How cute is that? I had no idea. We could see the bottom. Nice. Happy Friday to you, Mr. C. Good morning. Good morning, Joe Dixon. Good morning, Mr. C. All right. Let's see what we shall see. Excuse me. All right. All right, guys. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Looks like not a lot of you up bright and early, but we'll get there. Almost to 4,000 subscribers on YouTube. How cool is that? All right. You're looking at this little thing right here. The United States of America has issued us, Bree and myself, the United States Patent and Trademark, registered trademark, registering all these little symbols, all these little indicators, all these little lines, and the name, the safety trade. We have a trademark on all of that. That's my name. That's the name of the system. And we're the only one in the world that has it. Class 41. Coaching in the field of stock market trading. Coaching in the field of building generational wealth through stock trading. Thank you, God, for that. Appreciate it. Also, let's all be clear here. I am not, never wanted to be, never will be a financial advisor. Here is my legal disclaimer. Please just read this over and pause it. We are not financial advisors. Just like everything I do and say is all just for fun and educational purpose only. You'll have to validate the trades. You'll have to enter your own demo trades, just like I do, because I am not a financial advisor. Do not give financial advice. You need to seek professional advice before acting on anything I say. Furthermore, I do not provide personal investment advice. I am not a qualified licensed investment advisor. All information found here, including any ideas, opinion, views, predictions, forecasts, it's just read that over. I will not and cannot conduct your own due diligence. Trade only demo. I am not a social media influencer. Please visit my store. You can read that all over. You're an adult, make your own decisions. Please type yes if you understand I am not a financial advisor. Good morning, LT. Good morning, Clean Eat Junkie. Thank you for being on both, Mr. C, TikTok and YouTube. Thank you, Mr. C. I shall move on. All right. Let's see what we got going on with US 30 because I do have a trade. Oh, look at US 30. Okay, by the way, speaking of that, I do have one trade open. This is my one trade. Right, I want to make sure I can get this in here for 3,000. Well, net is 3,100. They take out interest when you hold it long. $3,364 in a $4,132 account. So this is my trade history for the month, I believe. Yeah, this is the month so far. These are trades from yesterday. I had to cut them down so short, put in take profits and close them down because I had to walk away from the computer. Otherwise, these could have cranked out some money for us. Those buys worked out perfectly. I called on gold and SPX. Just perfect. Loss was actually a win. They shot through my take profit. And you can see that right here. That's this thing. Shot through it. Instead of making money, they cost me money. This one, I'm not sure why I lost. I forgot that trade for some reason. Anywho, then some little tiny wins, and of course the trade I'm taking right now. This is a smaller account. I have 2 accounts with Eagle FX. So I used to have 7. And that's that trade. So that's the current trade I have. It's a sell stop in US 30 from, I don't know, going on 2 weeks now. Just dipped down a little bit more. We'll get into that in a second. Good morning, Shuki. Good morning, Boost. Still raining in Lorain, Ohio. Damn, Boost. With gold paying out tonight, pulled an all-nighter. Now to get ready for, oh, damn, Boost. Well, at least you made money overnight trading. That's what matters. What did gold do? Hold on. Oh, are we entering in? Well, we'll get into all that later. I'm going to take my time this one. I'm in no rush. I'm glad you made money. Sorry you're in Lorain. I went to the moon. That's fine. Does anybody have any questions over any of the trades I took, or am I in? Keith, make 30-second 1 minute H&H signal. Already did that. Good job, Keith. Up EMAs. Update 5 minute H&H. Do tier 1 monthly numbers. Advertise signals. Yeah, we haven't done any of that. I'm sorry as well. Thank you. It was a good night. Awesome boost. All right, no questions. I think we have to do that a little later. All right. I'm going to do my call outs first. Then we'll come back. I'm about to call out US 30, SPX, NAS, Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, GBP USD, Amazon, Google, and EUR USD. So let's have some fun and do that. Let's start with gold. Oh, nice. How cute that is. 1 minute, 3 minute buy. I see what he was doing. 3 minute, 5 minute buy stop. I'm sure this is probably, just retracement here. So what happened was he called that. That's cool. Good job, Boost. 30 minute. All right, let me call this out. Sorry, I'm over here having fun. Gold, 1 minute buy. Gold. This is going to be fast. Don't try to keep up with me. 15 minute daily. Too far away. Damn. 1 minute, 5 minute buy stop. Gold. Damn. Crazy shit. That 1 hour buy kicked fucking ass. I want to get into the signals too. We're going to go over the signals. But at any rate, that's all we got. I would unofficially look for some sells back down to reality, but whatever. We'll wait on that. We'll get to US 30, SPX, and NAS in detail. Huh. Not sure why that went off. All right. EUR USD. Opposite is USF, USD CHF. EUR USD 1 minute. Sell that's too late. This is a 15 minute sell overnight. 30 minute, 1 hour, 4 hour. Yeah, there's nothing you can call now. Forming a daily buy, weekly sell, but that's just nothing you can call right now on EUR USD. GBP USD. GBP USD. I'm sorry, GBP JPY. GBP JPY. It's covered up. I got my fucking thing over here. I have nowhere to put it. 55-inch screen, 75-inch screen, and no room, whatever. 1 minute sell. Who is this? Yeah. 1 minute sell to the, already hit it. Play any 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute sell stops to the 30 minute blue line, GBP, JPY. 1 hour, 4 hour, 4 hour daily buy stop, GBP, JPY. Bitcoin. I successfully called Bitcoin for over, 2 years, but I refused to call it. The only play I'd ever play on Bitcoin at this point, let it come down. Whenever it forms a 1 hour buy stop, take it. There's nothing you can do. Bitcoin's got to come back down to reality too. I called this monthly Bitcoin out my first call to over 70,000 was back on March the 8th of last year. Now, we do have a little different trade here with Ethereum. Play any 15-second, 30-second, 1 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute, 10 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour, 4 hour daily buy stops that you can find until Ethereum comes up and over 4,500. That's just me. Again, it's too far out of whack also. It's got to come back down to reality, but whatever. XRP. We can actually call this one. Hasn't gone up to where it's supposed to yet. XRP in the house. I love it. Been recommending it since 31 cents. XRP 1 minute sell stop. XRP 15-minute sell stop. To the 30, to the 1 hour, it's already hit it. 1 hour, 4 hour. XRP, play any 15-second, 30-second, 1 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute, 10 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour sell stop to the 4 hour blue line. XRP daily, weekly, and monthly buy stop. Amazon. 1 minute. See, it went up as called yesterday. Right here, I remember calling the 5 minutes, 15 minutes, and so on. Amazon. Fuck. Too late for that buy now. Been recommending this one since $91, $92 a share. And not much to call there. It's already did its move. Oil. Our signal's been real quiet on oil. 1 minute buy. It's already kind of firing. 5 minute. 15 minute. 30. 30. 31 hour. 30 minute, 1 hour sell stop. 1 minute, 5 minute buy stop. 4 hour buy stop. And that's it. On oil, let's see. Nope, that's all. Nice. Nice. No, nice. Paparazzi. What's up, D-Man? Thanks for being on both D-Man and Mr. C on TikTok and YouTube. What's up, Harold? Time 72. All right. Anybody else would like me to call it any other symbol? I have time this morning. Please feel free to ask. Fuck, look at that. 1 hour gold. Easy peasy. Look at that buy stop on gold. Come on, guys. Except I don't understand. How does it work? Look. Can it be any easier? Color coded. And I even put in an extra indicator. $150 a month gets you the sniper. Look at it. Green, 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 red. Green, green, buy stop. Boom. Up she goes. 1 hour gold. Speaking of which, hold on a second. Paparazzi. Aggressive. Let's see what it looks like. Let's see. Look at that beautiful. Oh, 'tis of thee. There's your 4 hour, 1 hour buy stop called out automatically by our signal service, which is coming to. So this right here would have took you from, depending on your point of entry, 23.40 to whatever the hell gold is now. I swear, really? 23.40 to $60 an ounce just on this last call alone. There it is, automatically generated. 4 hour, 1 hour buy stop, perfectly called. Zoop, there's your half moon. Zoop, There she goes up. Here's your sniper action right here. Whatever I mark right here will be, well, we'll just put it anywhere. I'm going to put it right there. This, in turn, will have the 1 hour buy. See it? There, it actually started here. Here's your 1 hour buy. Here's your W in the middle. There it is. This is your blue line down. I mean, everything's exactly as taught. Gorgeous. What's up, Hairjit, you Paul? You're new, or I don't recognize your name. Could you call it NAS? Yeah, I'll be calling out NAS, SPX US 30, absolutely. Good morning, Larry Cooper. I don't know what chain link is, but let me see if I can find it for Boost. Chain link. Is that really something? Sounds made up. Chain link. Which one would you like me to do? Chain link. This one at Coinbase, United States dollar, I'm assuming. Guessing. I hate to assume things. Thanks for the roses, Harold. Good morning, heart and soul. Kind of fun. Yeah. Okay. Let me check it out. I hope I hit the right one there. Chain link. Never ever have I heard of it. But let's take a look-see. Let's go down to micro level. 30-second. Hold on. Yes, my system works even on 30-second 1 minutes. That is true. Even works on 15 seconds. 30 seconds. "30-second 1 minute sell. It's going to arch up and then hook back down again. 3 minute, 5 minute, 10 minute, 15 buy, 15.30, 15.30, 15.30. 10 minutes. See, so it's not there yet. 15.30. Give me just a second. I've never seen this symbol before. Let me just do a little. Oh, what the fuck is this? 1 hour? 1 hour, 15-minute buy stop, and it's perfection. It's the first time. It's going to dip down a little bit more, then hook and come back up. I mean, that is our logo drawn out. See, so 15-minute, 1 hour buy stop to the 2 hour blue line. Forming a 4 hour daily 4 hour daily sell stop. So what it's going to look like, it's going to hook up to here. But let me get a bigger picture for this fellow right here, because Goose is a nice guy. All right, what is this shit? This is daily buy, daily broken box. So the weekly better hold. Hold on. Yeah, it's forming a weekly. Okay. Yeah. Last time it did it was right here. Buy, daily, weekly. What's the monthly? Hold on. Buy here, but what's going on here? Hold on. I hate when they don't fucking keep their charts the same damn fucking. Whatever. All right, buy. Still going up. Buy. Yeah, this is monthly. This is something. What the hell is this called? Chain link or something. Chain link. Yeah, I think we're still good. If you're looking for something long term, 30. This motherfucker is selling at like $30. Chain link is selling at $30. I'd be leery. Well, whatever. Well, was. I don't know what it's currently selling. Whatever this is, like 1920. All right. Here you go. Weekly, monthly buy stop, chain link. I think it still needs to dip a little further. Daily buy stop, chain link. Fuck me, really? Yeah, I still think 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute. Damn. This is at 10 minute again, 5 minute again, 3 minute. 3 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, it's rising, cancel 3 minute. 1 minute, 3 minute sell stop. That's why I hate looking up things on this. It's fine to trade with. It's great to look at charts with, but when you have to look at multiple charts, it sucks ass. Talking about TradingView. 15-second buy to the blue line. 30-second, forming a 30-second, 1 minute, 1 minute. 1 minute, 3 minute sell. 1 minute, 3 minute sell. Love the 15-minute, 1 hour buy stop to the 15-minute blue line. So 4 hour daily. Yeah. 4 hour daily sell. But I would override that to a weekly, monthly buy, and then I'm done. That's all. So whatever I just said, that's what it's going to do. Well, as far as I can tell. Hope that helped everybody. Or at least boost. I don't know. I don't know how people trade that thing, but if it's trading at like $30, how the hell do they rationalize that? Are you kidding me? Wow. All this, people are going to get mad at me, but watch this. All this made up shit up stuff that I've been calling Bitcoin, Ethereum. I mean, it's more fiat and fake than our actual ERUSD and US30 and SPX and NAS. Literally. I mean, it's so made up, but people still buy it. Bitcoin's rare and scarce. The halving. There's only so many Bitcoin. What the fuck are you talking about? There's only so many Bitcoin. It keeps getting cut into Sataris and Tarshis and Nintendos, and they're nuts. There's no shortage of Bit. There's only so many. It's going to be halved. Halved of what? And then the Bitcoin just gets cut into smaller pieces into infinity. There's no shortage. There's no real number of Bitcoin. Oh, there's only so many, Kev. I don't think people think past their noses when they say these things. There's only so many Bitcoin, except that a Satori can be cut into a Natashi, which can be cut into Nintendo, which can be cut into a Yamaha, which can be cut. What the fuck are you talking about? Shortage of Bitcoin, halving of Bitcoin. There's only going to be so many. Just like gold. Just last year, they found that all the gold combined, mined up in the history of the world, they found in some African country double the amount. So gold was tanking, right? But all of a sudden, gold is shooting up to the roof because of inflation. The illogic that people think, God, I developed this system so we take all the BS out of it. No, just be honest. Tell everybody out there, everything that we're doing is fake. Everything that we're trading isn't real. You want to know the truth? There is no difference between NAS and SPX and US30. They're all made up little numbers of made up little symbols of made up little. This is the biggest. People are so weird. Oh, Bitcoin. When I was calling it out at 26,000, oh, that's too much. It's never. Well, no. If the chart said it's going to go up over 70, and it has. Well, it's because of the halvings and the la 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 la. If it wasn't rigged, then I couldn't make the calls that the system does. I know it's going to offend a lot of you. Blondes with brain. Good morning, Blonde. And I know a lot of you is going to get upset at that, but everything, it's not just Bitcoin's totally made up BS. Give me a break. There's only so many. What are you talking about? That's like there's only so much air you can breathe. No, we're not going to run out of air. You're not going to run out of Bitcoin. You're not going to run out of Google or Amazon. Well, that's why you do PE, Kev, price earning ratios. And that's why you look at their future of what they're going to be selling. And guess what? Amazon is at least a store or online store. Give me a break on that. I mean, what happens when the internet goes down with Amazon? What's the stock going to be worth? People are nutty. Oh, Google, they search. They search for things. Yeah, I know it's our reality, but I think some people are just out of touch with it. Oh, but ERUSD is the most traded symbol in the history of the world. And I feel like I'm in an Ariana Grande song. Oh, but you know, you don't know about oil. There's a limited resource of oil. Really? Really? They've been saying that since the 70s. Guess what? They keep finding more. Oh, gold's limited. Gold, there's only so much gold until last year when they found double the amount of gold that's ever been mined in the history of the world. So shouldn't gold go in half then? If they doubled the amount, shouldn't gold's price went from whatever it was, like 1,600 down to 800? People don't want to hear the truth. We're too busy over here trading all this stuff. So do not forget, in any given time period, all this could be this flick of a little whatever. Not saying it will happen. I'm just saying, just thank God we're above ground. Thank God we have another day. Thank God we're breathing. Thank God we have health. That's all. Because all this stuff, whatever. Good morning, Larry. Hope I didn't upset too many of you. People crack me up. All these lines, everything I do, all the system. Will you tell me how I was able to call this trade out right here? Here it is. Here's the trade. My first monthly Bitcoin call to over 70,000 on a live dated 3/8. Over 1 year ago, I made this call. Okay. Literally. And I have it on video. It's on YouTube. It's here. Well, if the market wasn't rigged, and the market wasn't fraudulent, and the market wasn't full of shit, I know people are going to get mad at me, then how did my system call it out over a year ago? How did we call out Bitcoin? How do we call out, sorry. Look, this is the monthly chart. Bitcoin is a buy stop. All of you know that. Everyone that watches my system, everyone that has my system, Ethereum, same setup, same call. Buy stop. Well, how in the world, what? Oh, it can't possibly, what? Yes, here's one on gold. There was a buy stop on gold issued from our signal service. 1776 was the last monthly buy stop. And gold is at where it's at now. Are you kidding me? It's the same thing. Whenever you see this green, 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 red, it's a buy stop. Let me show you on my other charts. It's much easier to see. Let's go over to monthly. Hell, this is a yearly buy stop. But you guys are, it's beyond your comprehension. I'm not going to go there with that. So watch, let's just go over to gold. Now, everyone that has the system knows what this is. This isn't complicated. This isn't hard. Actually, this little dot is also one, but I'm just going to go with the bigger one so you guys can see it. Look, my system calls out monthlies as easily as it calls out 1 seconds. Monthly buy stop. That was what happened with gold. US 30. There's a monthly back here. There'll be a weekly up here. There's your weekly. Here's another weekly. Forming again, by the way, another weekly. There it is. It's our logo. Here's NAS. Oh, but there's no, how can you make this so easy? Here it is. Green, 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 red. Green, green, buy stop. Up she goes on NAS. SPX. It'll be a weekly over here. Yeah. Broken Bach, buy stop. Every one of them, all called out ahead of time. Here's your Bitcoin. Let's go over to monthly. I mean, everybody knows. Everybody that has my system, even people that steal my shit, that come on here and don't pay a fucking thing, can read the charts because of my system and tell you inside of this purple rectangle, green, 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 red, green, green is a buy stop. And that's Bitcoin. And I called it back here. See, 3-1. So it was 3-8 when I made the first call, saying it was going to go over 70. Oh, this is just the middle. This right here is an upward sloping W. I don't want to get into this with you guys too much. But look, you want to learn something? Look, this is the start of the W. This is your inner M. It did a triple top. And this is your second leg of your W. That's all it did. This has happened to me on a monthly scale. There's no way you didn't. Nah, I knew. Called it. Knew, called it. Oh, but it's not the, oh, it's the same fucking exact same thing on Ethereum. Green, 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 red, green, green, buy stop. Same start over here, came up, did the triple top and came back up again. But that can't be, that means that the whole system is manipulated and rigged, and it's not random. Oh, you mean to tell me that BlackRock and Vanguard and their AIs, Aladdin, and you really guys want me to keep going down the rabbit hole with you? Or did I lose everybody? It's all the same. How can you explain Ethereum and Bitcoin forming the exact same chart patterns? Doing the exact, oh, well, that's because Bitcoin's like the moon. It pulls all the rest of the little coins that really. Then how do you explain how US 30 and NAS and SPX all move the same? Well, but Kev, there's no way the market is this manipulated. It just can't be. Well, guess what? It is. It really, really is. And that's how the system works. We read the future near 100%. I give God 99%, whatever he wants to do. But I'm telling you right now, who's the lady with the plane? You guys all forgot about her. Telling you right now, there it sits. There it sits. Look at the movement up. What are we looking at? Movement up. Okay. The buy stop on US 30 is right here. Clearly, everyone can see it right inside of here. And I know some of you hate when I go into these little tangents. Green, 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 red, green, green. There it is. There's your buy stop called out perfectly by the system. US 30 monthly. We go over to NAS. Isn't it ironic that NAS rose up at the same time monthly? Oh, it's just coincidental that SPX rose up at the same time as NAS and US 30. Oh, it's coincidental. Is that what you're telling me? It's coincidental. Really? Coincidental. Then how do you explain our scanner that calls these things out? One moves, the other ones move, the other ones follow. How do you explain this thing? Works every day. If they bring SPX and US 30 up all day in NAS, then overnight it comes back down. And I would do this at least 3 to 4 times a week. Sometimes 5 times a week. If it goes up all day, it'll come down. If it goes down all day, these things will switch and come up. All of them together. It's so beautiful, by the way. So you can see red, red, red on US 30. We see a couple red. Sell stop, NAS, SPX to the 1 hour blue lines of NAS and SPX. Play any 15-second, 30-second, 1 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute, 10 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute sell stops to NAS and SPX 1 hour blue lines. Oh, but if it goes up, well, then play the buy stops when it flips and comes around. The scanner, free gift from Bree and I, my lovely wife. Right? We gave you this scanner. It's $500 a month if you want it separately. As long as you're in the scanner rooms, you get this particular one for free. And if you have the sniper, you get it added on to your charts, which is insanity what we're doing. In the palm of your hand, you have this. Look at it. So yeah, trust me. The only way the system works and how it works so well is because the market is manipulated. Oh, don't say that. It can't be. Whatever. Good morning, Joanna Webley. I'm just going on a little tirade because I have time this morning. And I'm sure no one out there wants to hear it. No one wants to know that, oh, my market's in, I trade, I'm into Amazon and Google, and those are real. Okay, sure. It's not manipulated. Yeah, I can pull up Amazon. I can pull up Google. I can read their charts. Yeah, they're just as manipulated as gold. But gold is physical. He's not making any sense. I have gold bars. I have gold coins. Does it matter what that is? We think it's shiny, right? So because it's shiny and pretty, we put value on gold. Well, I don't know if anyone's ever read or learned about the tulip bullshit. They used to do these tulip trading of tulips. I think they were from Switzerland or Sweden or some fucking Scandinavia company. And they put value on tulips, saying they were rare, that they were, beautiful and this and that. Does that sound familiar? Oh, but we use gold in everyday life to make jewelry. Ha! Jewelry. Don't get me started on diamonds. Don't get me started on De Beers. Don't get me started on that BS. Well, there's pork and there's cattle, and we can trade that with your system. Pigs are real. Yeah. Okay. I don't think anyone's catching the bigger picture of what I'm trying to tell you. Does it 7s for yeses, my tirade makes sense, or 9s for nos? If it's 9s, I'm going to stop either way, but I think it's ironic. People think this shit is real. Lord. I think I don't even have anybody listening. Wow. Okay. Well, that's cool. Shocking life. Oh, you get it. Okay. One person. Yay. Shocking life. But since it is fake, I just made a system that outfakes their fakeness. I have a system that reads their fakeness with 100% accuracy. Yeah, I know nothing's 100%. My mom told me if anything sounds too good to be true, it is. Well, if you trade on the monthly, I just showed you at least a half a dozen different symbols that were all accurate. You all read it. So if it's correct, oh, we got Shuki and D-Man. Cool. Thank you, D-Man. There's a couple of you actually listening. The rest of you are probably so clueless you probably actually believe our governments are in our favor. They're trying to do what's best for us. Oh, Lord. Don't get me started on that. I'm not going to talk about it. All right, here we go. So because we've proven that it works on a monthly and weekly scale with over a half dozen symbols. What's up, John? Good morning, John. Did I say good morning, Malaria and Heart and Soul? I don't know. Good morning, guys. All right. With all that, right, we have to understand if it's accurate on a monthly level. Well, we can go down here. We can go down here. If I get shit out of the way. And I'm just going to pull open some charts. And we're going to, oopsie, this one right here. That's on the wrong one. We're just going to have some fun. And watch this come down, by the way. 1 second sell stop to the blue line. It's happening right before. There you go. And there's your little down. So this is gold. I called that out 1 second before it happened. Well, that's all the time I had. This is red, 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 green, red, red, sell stop to the blue line. Oh, but it's going back up again. They're 1 second trades. But what you're seeing is live. There it is. And there it is. And that's to the blue line. First time it happens, always the best. It's going to form another 1 second, and it's also going to do to the blue line. That's gold. You can go to NAS. It's forming it now as you speak. US 30. Yeah, I know. No. I was told, I was told you couldn't trade anything less than 15-minute charts because it didn't make sense on 5-minute or 1-minute charts. I'm showing you over and over again that my system doesn't just work on monthly. It also works on what? Oh, I don't know. 1 second charts just as accurately. Now, am I recommending you trade? There's your sell stop on the 1 second, just came down on NAS. Do I recommend you trade this? No. Does it work? Yeah. Just showing you the power of the system, working on 1 second as well as it does on minutes, just as well as it does on 15 seconds, just as it does as well on, I don't know, 3 minute, 5, doesn't matter, pick one. That's all. And there's your gold sell stop back to the blue line yet one more time. Hit the blue line again. So yeah, that's all. Forming another 1 second sell stop on NAS. That's all. So just keep that in mind, that it's 100% predictable. 1 second, it's 100% predictable monthly, and so on, anywhere in between. And how predictable and how accurate is it? Well, let's take a look at gold, shall we? I love doing this because it blows everyone's mind. All right. Now what you're looking at, all these little lines right here, what you're looking at is the Hydra. This is our Hydra signal service that's being implemented across the board on gold, oil, NAS, SPX, and US 30. Our signal service is 55 and oh, hell, it's probably 60 and oh, I lost count. Since the beginning of the year, there hasn't been one wrong signal that cost you money. There's been 3 or 4 signals that were basically called that never engaged. Other signals, though, you would have made money every time. Bring on Hydra, says Larry. What's up, Larry? What's up, Hoovy? Good morning, Heart and Soul and Hoovy, 76. Good morning, John again. Shuki, Joanne, Juan with Rain. That's a funny name, by the way. I like your name. All right. So look, this is gold. Currently, we have a Discord room. Inside the Discord room, we have all these different symbols. So we're trading. This one's a sell stop. Gold was whatever. We have oil. So those are ones that are currently active. Well, all of those symbols, since January 1st of this year, it's called out 55 different signals with 100% accuracy, mainly 1 hour, 15 minutes. Okay? If we go to gold and we look at this, gold right here. Good morning, Larry. Oh, you're on both. Thank you for being on both TikTok and YouTube, Larry. If you look at gold, Oanda, O-A-N-D-A, whatever the hell you spell it, right? If you go there and you look at it, it goes back to pre-1970 gold prices. The first signal accurately called by the system automatically by our system was back in December 1970, $36 an ounce on gold. You'd open up 2, close one down, kept one open. Every one of these other signals that you see, these green lines, are called. Well, there's one in here. I can see that's manual. Yeah, that one. When you see these signals are correct calls, either weekly, dailies, blah, blah, blah. Look at them. I can click on any one of these. It'll be the correct call. Daily, 4 hours, and it doesn't end. Look at them. And these are all call outs by the new signal service called Hydra. It's an ode because Keith, our great coder, he had he just has memories with Hydra. So in respect to him, we named the buy stop Hydras. These will be added to tier 1, tier 2, and tier 3, and also gold and oil. So to be calling it out Hydra. Now, people in tier 3, meaning tier 3. We have tier 1, tier 2, and tier 3. Tier 1, for $150 a month, you get 5 signals a month. Tier 2, you get up to 10 signals a month. Tier 3, you get unlimited. The tier 3 will no longer be tethered to the tier 3 signal room. Everyone that's in there is going to get a free upgrade. Everyone that's in 350 a month is going to get Hydra in the palm of their hand. LT Hydra. What's up, LT? Okay. The projected release date for Hydra is, damn it, I think it's the 24th. Fuck. I think it's the 24th. Can you imagine? Of this month. I think that's Thursday, the 24th, if I'm not mistaken. Hydra will be released. What happens with Hydra? Well, look, everything you see here, including the aggressive settings, look, you can chart only weekly dailies, daily 4 hours, 4 hours, 1 hour, 1 hour, 15 minutes. I'm checking these. So if you take these ones off, let me be clear of what you're looking at. On all symbols, which you can't see on TikTok over here, but on USD, JPY, GBP, JPY, oil, gold, NAS, US 30, SPX, Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, GBP, USD, Amazon, and Google, and ERUSD. A dozen symbols, I went back. Every one of those symbols was 100% accurate. You would have made money at some point of the trade if you follow the rules, period. Weekly, daily, 100% accuracy. On gold going back until 1970. Most other symbols, they only go back to like 2003, 2006. I can only do what it can go back to. 100% accuracy. Hydra. The buy signals. This isn't working for sales at this point. I'm currently getting my rules, the orders of operation in place for the sells. It's not just the opposite. It doesn't work. I wish it would have been saving me fucking weeks and months of or getting this corrected, but whatever. So is everyone with me? You're literally looking at 100% accuracy on over a dozen different symbols I've seen. So just like Hydra, you cut off one head and it grows back a dozen more or whatever, 2 or 3 more. You can make this work on more than one symbol. Daily 4 hour, 100% accuracy. Computer back tested since the beginning that they would allow me to go back to on Oanda, which was 2003, 2006, somewhere around there. USD, JPY, GY, oil, gold, NAS, US 30, SPX, Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, GBP, USD, Amazon, Google. You will have this in the palm of your hand. You can turn them on. You can turn them off if you like trading. 4 hour, 1 hour, 100% accuracy for all symbols. Going back as far as I can on buys. Now, this is very exciting. Oh, you can't have one? Yeah, well, we do. What about the 1 hours? I don't know, because instead of doing that, I've been spending time with my brother and my cousin who's visiting. My cousin is. And I haven't had time to check these. I will check these, and I'm positive there because they already were 100% accurate on gold. The least you would win on gold is $2 an ounce. Most people will give their left nut for $2 an ounce, but that's the least. Now, I haven't checked everything else yet. All this, including the aggressive switch right here, we could turn on and off. Boop. It takes away a lot. The only ones we're allowing are the first timer, so this will be non-aggressive, 100% accuracy. Aggressive, no, I have no idea. I didn't check all those, so I'm not going to. Doop. Free upgrade from Bree and I, coded by Keith, into the palm of your guys' hand. You will have this actual, what you're looking at, on your charts if you're paying the $350 a month. What the fuck? And then you can put it on any symbol you like. All you have to do is click the symbol. Watch. ERUSD, let's click it. Doop. Watch. Boop. There's your lines. How fucking cool. See, ERUSD 2006 is as far as it goes back. I can only do what they give me. I can't do anything more. What's up, Damien? Oh, we're doing fantastic. We've already missed the tirade. I'm going on about how fake all this shit is. I'm going over the Hydra now. How fucking cool it is. Hail Hydra. It's actually, I like it too because it's from Marvel Comics. Gosh, I'm already been on an hour almost this morning. That's crazy. All right. Does anybody have any questions over Hydra? You want me to go over it again? I just showed them, Damien, how it was accurate. Currently, calling out 15-minute, 1-hour trades is 55 and 0. The code is itself. And this new code, Hydra, also is accurate with those same calls. And it goes back to 1970 on gold with 100% accuracy on weekly, daily, 4 hours, 4 hour, 1 hours. Ask any questions if you have any. I can't. I don't see anything. Is everyone? Hydra's going to be sweet. Sorry, just got. When is this coming? This is coming supposedly, Lord willing, April the 24th, Thursday. We're going to release it, so you guys can make up for your taxes. Just easy. And this is going to be a free upgrade for everyone that's paying $150 a month, $250 a month in the Discord rooms. The code is going to be added in to your tier 1, tier 2, tier 3s, your gold and your oil, on top of what you're already getting called. And then you're going to get it in the palm of your hand if you're paying the $350 a month tier 3. You're going to get Hydra to use on your own charts for $350 a month. That's insane. The people ask, like, oh, what about this stupid thing? And what about that? I don't even know the last ones we looked up, whatever that shit was. I don't even, what was it? Somewhere in the H bar stuff. I don't even know what the fuck this shit is. You put it in the H bar. And again, I don't know what the fuck this is. I have no idea. I looked it up yesterday, I think, for somebody. You put it in here and look what it comes up with. Ding, 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 chicken dinner. We have a 4-hour daily buy stop right here. Gee, I wonder if that was correct. Of course it was. That's on your monthly. You put it on the one you're going to use, though. Don't worry, I'll have a training video. So if you're looking for daily, right, daily buy stops, if you're looking for daily buy stops, look. This is daily 4-hour. You go to the daily charts. Daily 4-hour. Look at that shit. Pop, buy stop. Called it before it happened, by the way. Poop, up it goes. There's your money. I don't even know what the fuck H bar is. NASL's in the money, thanks. Oh, nice. You're welcome, Jay Parker. What's up, Rasta Pusha? Hydra. All hell, Hydra. No, I'm just teasing. It's just, if you guys don't know what Marvel Comics and Hydra is, I can't really explain all that to you. NASL's in the money. I don't know. Let's take a look in a book. I think SPX is in the money too, by the way. I don't know why. I don't know. These are just short term, remember. These aren't long-term plays. If people crack me up, they want to do like a 15-second sell stop, right? 15-second sell stop. And go, why isn't it 300 pips down? These are the ones I was calling out a little bit ago. This sell, remember we were on the 1-seconders. 15-second sell. 1-minute buy to the blue line, or at least towards it, NAS. 1 second, 1 second. Damn. Not 1 minute. Sorry about that. Anywho, but I yeah. It'll call it. So as these change, let me see the NAS 3-minute. Hold on, let me see something. NAS 3-minute. Bam. Well, it's going to arch up, come back up over here, hook, and then come back down to the 3-minute blue line. See, it's going to do another one of these. Never take a trade when the pink line is low on a sell. You only take the trade when the pink line is high. Pink line is high. Sell stop to the blue line. Sell stop to the blue line. You know who else is calling this right here? Our handy dandy nifty little free gift from Bree and I, H&H scanner. Look. Now, whether it goes down and touches the 3-minute blue line is irrelevant. That's why this is called the H&H scanner for horseshoes and hand grenades. I can give 2 fuck less if hand grenade actually blows up and hits the blue line. All I'm telling you is it's going to go down towards it when these two have already hit it. And there it is. And it's going towards it, and you made money. So that's why it's called the H&H scanner. Love the scanner. Oh, I'm glad you do, Jay Parker. I do too. Hydra. Yeah. I'm giving you every tool I'm giving you. Well, the scanner's free if you have the scanner room, $50 a month. Hydra's free. You spend $150 a month, and you get 5 signals. I don't even know what. I'm done. I don't know how much more and what you guys could want in this world. I'm literally giving you a silver spoon and putting it in your mouth and telling you to open up and to swallow. Do you want me to play like a little, oh, here comes the airplane. Wee, wee, wee. You want me to go ahead and make little noises for you and send out little noisy signals that you're a baby, and then I'm spoon feeding you everything? Is that what you want me to do? People are silly. Well, I can't get his system to work, and it's, oh, I don't think it works. Yet every day in the Discord, people are posting their wins. Every day I get testimonial after testimonial on how it helps people. If you're having trouble, just go in the Discord and ask someone for help. How about you follow your rules? How about you put in, and Bree always says this pretty much at least once a week, if people would put in, if all of you would just put in half the effort I did in making the system into learning it, y'all would know it. Bree always said, the reason Bree believed in me, and I have no idea why she did, she stuck through me with year after year of problems with it. She saw me only sleeping 2 or 3 hours a night. What did she do? She just said, I've never seen anybody work as hard as something in my life. I knew you had to succeed. Contrast that with my brother. Oh, yeah, that's silly. I ain't never going to work. You're silly. Sister. My own mother. All of my friends. Very few that I had. Kevin, this is crazy. You're never going to figure this out. There's no way in hell you're going to get this done. Okay. You're right. You're right. Yet Bree believed in me. I believed in myself. I had to make this thing work for my youngest daughter. She has epilepsy. Thank God she's been seizure free since December of the 6th grade. So yeah, I didn't want to work in third shift. So whatever. I kept going. I lost for 5 years, over 5 years, 5.5 years, $26,500, which I've since learned is nothing to some of you out there. Some of you have lost so much money. It's absolutely insane. But yeah, there you go. So again, when it's called, and I can teach you the red, white, and blue trade if you guys want to do that this morning. When it's called, you can clearly see it went from here to here. Let's go ahead and go to US 30. I believe this is the first. Oh, damn it. US 30, yeah. So US 30's been below its 3 minute. Okay, let's be clear on that. So US 30's been below it. SPX just hit it. Watch. You can see clearly it crossed, right? And look, you go to NAS, and when it cleared it right here, you saw all this free money. So you just follow the scanner. When it switches, it'll switch, and it leads you to the correct promised land, which is when 2 out of the 3 move. Well, we have the 30 seconder now. So now you can actually just play the 30 seconds, wait for the 30 seconds to flip, then the 1 minute, and then the 3 minutes. Blue line touch on GBB JPY 30-minute SS, as you call it. Thanks, LT. Yummy, says Larry Cooper. Appreciate all the work. You're welcome, Jay Parker. LT says GBB JPY 30-minute. Let's take a look. Yep, there it is. Thank you. So anybody watching this, I made my call outs earlier in this session. Look at it. There's your touch. Thank you. That's very big. Thank you, LT. Good to have you back. I missed you for a little bit. Script. Hi, I'm new here. Can you explain how the H&H scanner? So you're new here, like as in you don't even know the system? All right. Sure, I can show you. So this call out was made earlier this morning in this live session. And there's your live answers that it ACT system works, because there's the call out and there's the touchdown. Beautiful call. Jeez, oh pizza. So that would have been way up here when I called the sell stop, all the way down to there. And I believe, yeah, we were off of these smaller time frame ones, right? These 5 minutes. So it hit the 5-minute blue line, then it hit the 10-minute blue line, then it hit the 15-minute blue line. I called out the 30-minute blue line. And let me see, 4 hour. Nope, still going. Still going to go. It's going to turn into a 4-hour daily buy. It's got a little bit to go, though, so you can play those cells still if you want. Sorry, where were we? All right. How does the scanner work? Let's take a look. The H&H scanner. We have rules. Because we have rules, we have a signal service. The signal service is currently 55-0 with 0 losses. So that's pretty damn fucking good. I'm not 55-0. I have losses. I created the fucking signal service. It's doing better than me because it literally doesn't have any emotions. It never sleeps. It never gets tired. It never reads the charts wrong. So it's following the rules. So some of the rules in here say, hey, there's a blue line, and I'll show you what the blue line is. Let me move this over here. Okay, this is what's considered a blue line. Oh, shit. Hold on a second. I forgot. Da, 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 da. All right. This thing is a blue line. Matter of fact, I'm going to switch over to these charts. And matter of factly, let's go over here to the 1 minute. And as a matter of fact, there we go. Let's go over to here. All right. So this is price action, right? What you call candles, which aren't really candles. They could be lines. They could be dashes. They could be Heineken. They can be root beer. Heineken. Anywho, they could be whatever. This is price action. It goes down and touches the blue line here. This is 1 minute one. So I'm going to show you what it looks like. This is what it's reading. So that H&H scanner is saying, hey, everybody, the 1 minute has been crossed. Let me move this over just a little bit. Oops, sorry. All right, there. 30 seconds would have happened first, but we're just going to do 1 minute. So this is SPX. SPX, 1 minute has been crossed, so it turns to red. Okay? So that's simple as I can make that. Then the next thing that happens, let's see where US 30 was. US 30 also coming down to the 1 minute crosses. It crosses a little later here. Boop. Okay, when it crosses here, and we call these the red, white, and blue things. Let me show you why. So I refer to these, no one else does. I refer to these as red, white, and blue because I think it's easy to do. So first is red, second is white. Okay. Boop. First looks like SPX, second was US 30, but let me see, make sure with NAS. Okay, so let's go over to here. Whoa. Hold on a second. I'm going to shrink this down a little bit so you can see our lines. A little line's easier. Da, 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 da. Hold on. There we go. Okay. So now let's go back to NAS. Oh, actually, currently on the 1 minute. Sorry, this is what you have. You have crossing of SPX here. You have crossing of NAS here. Then later, let me go to US 30. It crosses on US 30 here. So technically, they gave us free. Let me zoom in a little bit. That looks like there's not much there, which there isn't. Sometimes there's a lot of pips. Sometimes there's not so much. It gave us 26 pips for free, and then it's now 200. Holy fuck. Okay, no, I changed my mind. That's a really good movement. All right, so watch. NAS crossed where the red line is, the 1 minute. Henceforth on our scanner, you would have saw the 30 seconds already been in this trade, but we're doing it slow for you. So NAS would have turned red. Approximately same time, SPX would have turned red because it crossed its blue line. That left us US 30, and it didn't cross until later, until here where this right one is. So that's all. So it's just this scanner, H&H scanner, is scanning US 30, NAS, and SPX whenever it crosses this blue line. On the 30-second, it gives you a heads up. So for instance, in a very good live example, that would be if they raised things up all day yesterday, then they bring things down overnight. And how do we know it changes is because of this scanner. The 30 seconds will always break first. And if it's going down all night, they'll move it up overnight using the scanner. You'll see it first. The 30 seconds will break. Then giving you heads up to play any 15-second, 30-second, 1 minute buy stops to the blue line. I got to make a note on that. I don't know if that explanation helped you. Keith. Let's see. Keith Rooney. H and H scanner signal. We're going to be giving that to you guys also as an option. What's up, Rapid Empowerment International? Yeah, you have no idea. Oh, shit, we're making some more money. Let me see what's going on. So hopefully that helped. If you don't know the system, though, it's probably a useless, trying to talk to you. It's hard to figure things out. Oh, where's my US 30? Oh, thing of gorgeousness. I have one trade open. Wow. Right here. Let me scooch over here a little bit. This is the only trade I have open right now. This is my account history. These are all the little trades from yesterday. Loss, that was actually a win, but they robbed me because they went right through my take profit, whatever. This I don't remember at all. I'd have to go back to that trade and look why I took that. Another loss, and then these are the rest of the wins. This is just a small account. Currently, we're up $4,000 on this trade in a 4,001. I've doubled the account value on this one trade. I've held it since 4.3. Sell, stop. US 30, price in, and I'm still in it. And those are my trades that I've had. Look at that. Gorgeous. Thank you. Oh, good, Script. I'm glad it made sense to you. All right. Does anybody have any questions over the trades, over the H&H scanner? I have time this morning for once in a long time. I actually have time. I can't believe TikTok has not turned me off after an hour. It's kind of weird. And by kind of weird, I think it's fucking weird as shit. They always turn me off after an hour, or try to. Yeah, we've been on for 70 minutes. Anybody have questions? I'll go over how to, matter of fact, I'm going to teach Script how the system works. Script, do you know how the system, anyone new here? Let me ask that question. Is there anyone new here that does not know how the system works? I can just show you anyways. It's super easy. Look at this. Let's see, GPG. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and say it hit its 30-minute. Yeah, it's past it now. Nice. Buy, stop. Hold on. Ho, 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 ho. Take the sells. Keep doing the sells. Blah, 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 blah. 15-minute. No. 30 minute. 30 minute, 1 hour buy stop. All three indices. Don't say I didn't tell you this when this shit comes around and I show you the trades later. He never told us that. What the fuck am I placing right now? Swear to God. Dealing with children. Sell, stop, we're already in. I'm not worried about it. 4 hour. 4 hour daily buy stop NAS. There's got to be some kind of news coming out in a day or two or some shit. Might not even engage here, but that's all right if it doesn't. Don't care. You can enter it off the daily. You can enter off the 4 hour. Hold on. Yeah. 4 hour daily. What is this? SPX. 4 hour daily SPX buy stop. But if you're in a sell, stay in it. There's no reason not to stay in the sells. Let this shit come down. This is what I always get caught with. Trail this shit down as it's coming down. Out of the three, I think NAS is your best chance for a nice entry on a buy. Buy NAS 1 hour. 1 hour, 4 hour buy stop. Let me make sure it's the logo. Not close enough. I'd rather this drop more. Yeah, let it come down a little bit more. But nonetheless, buy stop NAS 1 hour, 4 hour. Buy stop SPX 4 hour daily. Let me see US 30 again. I don't give shits. I'm going to sell on US 30. I'm keeping it. Yeah, we caught all of this. I put my take profit right here. So my original order here, I'm up 527 pips, 500 pips on a guaranteed 500 pips. $2,500 for you guys that don't know. So that's a guaranteed on this trade right here. It's going down as you speak. I don't know what the hell this thing's forming. Daily. Daily. Yeah, it's not down far enough. It needs to form our logo. I can go over the rules for trading. Come over, hook. Oh, hold on. Damn. Comes over, form's going to come down. Should touch the yellow line. On the daily, we don't need to be as specific, or the weekly. It just needs to be close. That's all. All right. I would just trail this down. Daily, weekly buy stop. This is the last time it happened over here. Look at that shit. Poof. The magic dragon. Okay. Yeah, I know we're in the middle of a sell. I get that. I'm just telling things that are going to happen in the future for you. Stay in your sells if you're in US 30, SPX, and NAS sells. Stay in those. If you want to wait, just wait. Again, I like NAS to flip around first. But you guys read the charts any which way you want to. So 15 second, 30 second, 1 minute, 3 minute sells to SPX blue line. After that, and stay in those trades as long as you can. I've been in a trade for over a week, almost 2 weeks now, on a sell on US 30 because of this rules. After that, go ahead and look for your buy stops, as I called them out. NVIDIA 4 hour daily buy stop in the money LT. Good morning, Linda Brown. Zero idea how it works. I'll teach you script. Let me look at NVIDIA first. Hold on. NVIDIA. Now, don't even get me started on how I've been calling NVIDIA. Like, it's the easiest. Watch this. Okay. Let's go over here. Let's just go over here, and I want to NVIDIA. Okay. Anybody that's been with me or scamming me for free signals for the last year or however long a lot of you have been floating around here scamming away, look, this right here. Let me open up 2 charts for you so you can get a really good idea. Watch this shit. Watch this shit, shall we? Watch this. We're going to make this NVIDIA. Hold on. Weekly. We're going to come over here to monthly. Oh, we don't have our monthly blue line. Damn it. Does it even go back here? Hold on. All right. So let's teach everybody here how to trade. Forget support and resistance. Forget what you thought you knew about trading. It's all wrong. 99% of the time, support and resistance fails. Look to the left, fails. Fibonacci retracements fail 99% of the time. Don't believe me? Google it. Looking to the left, ascending, descending wedges, naming of candle and candle patterns, all lose 99% of the time. Google it. It's a fact. It's not an option. It's a fucking fact. It fails. And trust me, I tried it for 5.5 years and lost $26,500. It fucking fails. Am I clear? So with that in mind, what works? My system works. 100% of the time, it's better than winning 1% of the time. You people might hate the system. Oh, this and that, and it's hard. I don't know what to tell you. It's not. Everyone complicates it, but watch. Everybody and their mother, I'm going to come back here so you guys see this playing. Inside of here, watch script. How many people answer this question? What is this inside of here, everybody? When you see this pattern, and I'm going to block it out so everyone can be fair. What is right here? Green, 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 red, green, green. What is this called? Everybody write it out for script so you can have an idea. Larry Cooper, buy stop, correct. BS means buy stop, script. LT, buy stop. Bob Uten, buy stop. John, buy stop. Thank you for writing it all out. Rapid empowerment. Right. Everyone can see this a mile away. Buy stop. It's in the system. I'm going to show you how to remember this. Script. Have you ever gone swimming in the ocean? No, let's make it the pool. Script, you ever been swimming in the pool? Yes or no? If it's no, that's fine. I don't know if you're still here. Thank you, Shuki. Thank you, Linda. And thank you for the nice email, Linda. That was very nice. No, message in TikTok. Thank you, Tank Dog. Script, have you ever been swimming in a pool before? All right, I'm going to open the question up to everybody. Who here has been swimming in a pool before? I want to teach you all how to remember what a buy stop is. Script said yes. Oh, good. We're going to use script. All right, script. In our business, red means down and green means what, everybody? Red means down. What does green mean? And I know it can mean sell, stop, blah, 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 whatever. Red's down. Green is. All right, Linda, I'm going to use you as a second example. Up. Thank you, Linda. So script. This is how you trade. Thank you, John. Thank you, Rapid. Red means down. Green means up. So I'm going to move this up a little bit so you guys can see this a little clearer here. Okay. Now, hold on. There we go. So what we have here, oh, got to make that larger again. Thank God. What we have right here are 3 lines. We have real direction bar 1, 2, and 3 green. We have red on the bullshit detector. This top thing right here is the BS detector, it's called, but it stands for bullshit. What it does is reading the lie that this is going to continue to go down. Our system, even though this is saying, price is saying it's going to go down, our system is telling it's how it's going to go up. So script, you're in a pool trying to dive to the bottom of the pool to pick up a quarter, a penny, whatever. Okay, so that's you swimming in a pool, you're red trying to go down. Okay, so does everyone get that analogy? 7 yeses. Thank you, LT. 7's for yeses, 9's for no. The analogy is green is up, red is down, script is inside of a pool. He's red trying to go down to the bottom of the pool. Do you understand that initial part of the analogy, everybody? Yes or no? Yes, yes, yes. Okay, cool. 7s, 9s, perfect. Thank you, Mr. C. All right, and heart and soul. Buy stop, D-Man says, yep, he knows. All right, trying to get you to remember it, D-Man. Watch. Below script is Linda Brown, real direction bar 1. These little bars right here. In fact, I think I can make, I'm just going to leave them. The little bars right here, the top bar right here. Let me see if I can just zoom in just a little. There we go. Watch. See that separation right there? The top bar is Linda pushing up against script. Linda, for some reason, is pissed off at script. Linda does not want script to go to the bottom of the pool to get the quarter. She doesn't want him to actually dive down to the bottom of the pool. Below Linda is John Francescos. John's underneath script, pushing him up also. Won't let him dive to the bottom of the pool. Below him is Mr. C. Mr. C is real direction bar 3. Green means up. Mr. C, Linda, and John are all pushing up against script. So he cannot go to the bottom of the pool. He can't continue further to go any more down. He can't do it. Okay? So let's look right here. That's what you're seeing right here. Remember, John's red. I'm sorry, script is red. And the other 3 grown adults are the green pushing up. Above him is the Bach. The most important indicator in history of the world has actually been separated out into the sniper, but whatever. We'll call the sniper should be Bach 2.0. But anywho, it's green and green. So now you have 2 more people. You have LT and Rapid Empowerment above script, pulling up on script, saying, no, script, you're not going to go to the bottom pool. So you have 2 grown men pulling him up. You have 3 more grown people pushing him up. Can script get to the bottom? Can script go to the bottom of the pool with 5 grown people pushing and pulling him to stay up? Can he get to the bottom of the pool? Can he go down? I'm going to go with no. Not even if he's Michael Phelps on steroids is he getting to the bottom of that pool. There's no way he can overpower 5 grown people. And it gets more and more. I can give you more examples of why he can't do it. But those are the generic ones. So if script can't get to the bottom of the pool because he's getting pushed and pulled upward, look what happens to the trade. Oh, there. Whoa, shit. Holy shit. Holy Moses. What the fuck? And there it is. Entering off one of our EMAs, depending on what time frame you're looking at. This is weekly. And there she goes up. What is this, gold? No, this is NVIDIA. So back here, we would have called a buy stop, weekly buy stop on May of 22 when NVIDIA was at $185 an ounce, $185 an ounce, $185 a bullshit share. And now look at it. It's trading at 906. So 4 times you made 400% of your money on this on a weekly buy. Oh, but no one could have saw that. We saw it coming. We saw it coming even earlier than that. But that's how you trade a buy stop. Did that make sense to you, script? Did that make sense to everybody out there? 7s for yeses, 9s for nos. 7s for yeses, 9s for nos. And I'll show you a sell too. It's just as easy. And there it is. And there's your results. Here's another one. Gee, I wonder what this is. This is NVIDIA. Back in 2018, buy stop. NVIDIA was a buy stop back in 2018 weekly on $65 a share, $65 a thing. Let me keep going back though. Hold on. Let me see. I'm going to do monthly for you so you can see something. NVIDIA. We didn't know NVIDIA. Matter of fact, I'm going to switch over to this one. I believe I have NVIDIA over here too. I do. Watch. It's even easier to see long term on these charts. Here's NVIDIA. Oh, shit. We didn't know. Yeah, you did. The fuck we didn't know it was going to go up. Look at them all. Buy stop. Here's the other weekly buy stop. Here's another weekly buy stop. NVIDIA. The first weekly buy stop we'd have called on NVIDIA would be right here. Weekly buy stop. 2015, when NVIDIA, you would have got in an NVIDIA at $5. Oh, if revisionist history. Oh, you can, no, these indicators never change. Never change. They never repaint, it's called in our business. They're always the same. So there you go. What's up, Crypto Cartel? There, so NVIDIA, you could have got in at $50 a share. Oh, blah, 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 blah. I don't know. Here's the next one. Blah, 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 I didn't know. I can't play weekly. Oh, there's the next one. There you go. NVIDIA has been called out by this system. Go back to, what was it, 2005? As buy stop weeklies. Dailies. It's all the same. This will be a 4-hour, by the way, right here. Watch. Let's take away this. All right. Watch. Somewhere around here, we're going to see a 4-hour. There it is. Who else can do that? There's your 4-hour buy stop. Green, 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 red, green, green. Give me any symbol, any time period, and I'll tell you where the corresponding buy stop or sell stop is. Doesn't matter. Wherever our logo forms is where I'll call it. And that's today, by the way. You could have wrote that, or yesterday, I should say, or whatever the hell. That is actually 4/9 at 2030 Forex time. Any symbol, any time frame, and I'll tell you the corresponding buy or sell stop at any time frame. Doesn't matter. I could walk this backwards. From the 4-hour buy, we can go to a 1-hour. I can tell you where this 15-minute sell came in to pull it down for the buy. Doesn't matter. Here's your 15-minute. This is coming down to form a 4-hour buy stop. And there's the 4-hour buy stop. This is coming down like this. Boop, formed it, and poof, there it goes up. Gold 15-minute. What about it? We've been calling gold. Hell, I got a signal service been calling gold. Yeah, it already did go. Here's your gold. Look, this is 15-minute. Watch right here. Watch that shit. So this is a 15-minute. Came up, formed a logo here. Matter of fact, I'll put up a couple of these for you. Watch. Here's your first retracement right here. Next, let me take this one away then. Here's your second retracement right here. And we'll go down and watch. From here and then here, here and here, we'll go hunting. Actually, the first time it happens right here too. But we'll just stick with the two obvious one. Logo came over, came up. What's our logo? All right, this is our logo. Let me show you the logo. Green up arrow on the back of the bull, red down arrow. That's the logo. So let's swing back over to here, 15-minute. And we're going to, oh shoot, this is 4-hour. 4-hour, sorry. This is 4-hour. It'll be 1 hour. So there's your 1 hour on the one, 30-minute on the other. Now, he wanted me to go to, I'm so sorry. Yeah, 15 minutes happening right now as you speak. Gold is forming a buy stop as I'm so sorry. Right here. So this is, so we have to go, now 15-minute, you should go up to the 1 hour, verify that, see it's not. See the difference? You want, whoever wrote that in, you need to have, I mean, it can go up. I'm not going to argue with that, but our logo would be this has to pull down. Gold has to come down further, touch the yellow line, come close to the yellow line, better yet, go in our channel. Let me draw out for you what gold, before I would enter the trade, would do. Starts low, comes up, it comes here like that, then does it. Gold is not low enough. If you're trying to call a 15-minute, 1 hour, it's not. Let me see something. Let me see. Oops, hold on. Let me see what this looked like right here. See, also, it went up. It didn't ever come down close enough. I mean, you could take those trades, I just wouldn't mortgage the house on those trades. I'm not saying it's not a great trade, but it isn't according to the rules, and I like following the rules just like the our signal does. But it is correct. He's reading it correctly. Now, if he wanted to go down and say, hey, is this a 5-minute, 15-minute? Is this a, you know, where this, and that's what you should be looking at. See, look, this is going to continue to go down a little further. Told you. 1 minute sell. Yep. It just has to. It's too far away. Did that make sense? Who called that out? Lumos. Did that make sense to you, Lumos? And again, I'm not saying it's not going to flip and come back up. I'm saying it's going to flip and come back up after the 1 hour is touched, or I'm not taking a trade. Let me be clear. Follow the rules, just like our signal service. And I would be 55-0 too. I'd have 55 wins with 0 losses. But I get a little anxious too, or I'm in a rush, or I'm leaving somewhere or whatever. So yeah, it happens. I hope that made sense to him though. We're in the money on the NAS buy. You're in the money on the NAS buy. You can close that trade down if you like. Let me see. And don't say that I didn't tell you to take the trade because I can't, right? What the fuck? Oh, hold on. Let me go over to here. And let me knock over to here a little bit. There we go. Careful with this one too, because I'd be very leery in staying in any kind of NAS trade unless you have some deep pockets you win a small amount in. This is just arching up to come back down, in my opinion. Let me see something. Yeah, that's what I'm going to go with too. You have to be very careful to let these finish, the sell stops finish out throughout the day. Just let these things keep going down. This is very much, it's arching up to hook and come back down to its 3-minute blue line. That's what it's doing. Same with US 30. I mean, you could take the money. You could take profit out on NAS, absolutely. I mean, it went up enough. I'm in money on my entry. Or just close it down. It's either or. I mean, you don't have to, whatever. It's not a Disney Channel. We're not stuck at something. But this, to me, is going to ricochet, come up, do the ricochet back down to the blue line. You always have to let the order in which they form is 1 minute. Well, 15 second, 30 second, 1 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute, 10 minute. You have to let those form. And then after that, in the money again on NAS, by the way. Then after they're done with that, you can enter into the trade. Larry Cooper, 30-minute buy stop. Shit, Larry, on what? Are you talking about gold again? Hold on. I need to get rid of these. Because all they do is confuse me. I go to the wrong one. I want and 30-minute. Let's see. 30-minute, 1 hour. Be careful with that. 15-minute, 10-minute. It's actually a 10-minute, 15-minute buy stop, but I don't like that split. 30-minute, 1 hour buy stop, but you got to let the purple come down first. You can't take a buy where it's at. So go with a 15-minute, 1 hour buy, but I would just be very careful with gold right this second. That's just me. Wait. In the money on the NAS buy again. Oh, NAS, sorry. He's saying NAS. Let's take a look at NAS. Yes, 30-minute. It just started to hook. 1 hour. 30-minute, 1 hour. Yeah. So you can stay, I mean, stay in the cells. Look at my US 30. Let me be clear as I can be. US 30, where's my US 30? US 30, I'm still in the sell. It's still going out. I have my profit locked in on my MetaTrader, the Eagle FX account. I'm locked in. I don't give two shits about it. I would stay in my NAS if I was in a sell as long as I could. That's all I'm saying. If you don't want to, then right, play the 30-minute 1 hour buy or the 15-minute 1 hour buys. Simple as that. I love the 15 minutes. So the 15-minute or 30-minute 1 hour buys. Just let the sells finish first. That's all. They just have to get out of the way and then move back in. That's all. I'm up. Yeah. Up a little money on those. Take the profit and run. $24, $35, 26, whatever. It doesn't matter. Take that money and run. Just take it. Close down the trade. You don't need to make thousands of dollars every trade. Nice. All right. What time is it? Nice. Holy shit. I've been walking for 97 minutes and we still have basically, is there any news today? Please say there's no. I mean, I love playing the news. I don't have a problem with it, but it kind of throws off when I'm talking to you guys, interrupts what we're going over. I don't know. Nice. We're up $42 on that trade. You can close the trade down or not. That's up to you. $39. Feel free. Take your money and run. Don't be greedy. $52. $32. Just do. There is no, unless it's CPI, NFP, or FOMC, it's not news. I don't give a fuck about anything else. If it's not CPI, it doesn't matter. If it's not NFP, it doesn't matter. If it's not FOMC, it doesn't matter. They'll do a momentary blip on something. That's all they'll do. News. Fuck news. We've been eating CPI, making the correct call on CPI for 2 years. Same for NFP. It just cracked me up. Oh, it's this. Oh, it's that. Oh. Oh. The news doesn't lead the market. The market leads the news. I.e., they make up the news to try to match the narrative, to try to make the narrative match the market. Earnings, same way. I went on to Ford and showed somebody in my family about earnings. Tesla's earnings. It doesn't matter. It's all readable. If there's a 15-minute, 1 hour, easy peasy. 4 hour dailies, easy peasy. It doesn't matter. I just don't want you guys trading news because you don't know the system enough to trade the news. That's all. If you knew the system better, by all means, trade the news. 1 minute sell stop, US 30. 1 minute sell stop, NAS. 1 minute sell stop, SPX. Oh shit, my treadmill just stopped. No. Start again. Am I going to blow up the treadmill though? Cut me off after 100 minutes. That's funny as fuck. Not that much. Chill. Just doing a casual walk. If you don't want to do the sells, you can do the buys. I'm already in a buy. Already making money. All right. Anybody have any questions, concerns, or comments? I can check any stock that's on TradingView, any symbol that's on TradingView. What they tell me, it's over 1,000 of them. I haven't checked 1,000 of them, but that's what they tell me. Hold on one second. All right. All right. No one has any questions? All right. I'm going to go over the rules for trading, teach you how important they are to follow those, show you how simple they are to follow those. Wrong thing. All right. What you're looking at are signal rooms. Are there any changes you make with crypto symbols based on volatility? No, none whatsoever. It's all the same. Literally called out Bitcoin over a year ago, Rapid. It's all the same. And called it out daily. It was every day I called a buy stop for Bitcoin for over a year on a monthly. Crazy. Tier 1 signal room. Yep. Tier 2 signal room. Tier 3 signal room. Then there's gold, tier 1, tier 2, tier 3. Then there's oil, tier 1, tier 2, tier 3. The combined trading for the signals, it's right here, for March and all the way through March. Every one of these, please note, all results are underreported, meaning the number of pips are underreported by over 3,000 pips this month. The number of possible trades were actually 31, not 27. 100% win rate, 27 signals called, 27 wins. What's a win? It tells you. 0 negative signals called, which is even more important. So we were 27-0 in March. Here's each one of the signals that were called in March. The date, what it was, what it did, if there was a re-entry, which we don't even count, and the number of pips that was generated off of each one. These are only US 30 results, not including NAS or SPX, which would have tripled, doubled anyways. Yeah, doubled. Gold, here's the number of signals in March. Still running, by the way, on these golds. 11 wins. So totally, just so we're clear, totally, we have over 55 signals, including this month, April, and it's over 55-0, 55 wins with 0 losses. So the signal service that is currently bound into these rooms, tier 1, tier 2, tier 3. Tier 1 is $150 a month for 5 signals. Tier 2 is $250 a month for 10. Tier 3 is $350 a month unlimited. You're in the money on the buy SPX. You're in the money on the buy NAS. You're in the money on the buy SPX. You're in the money on the buy NAS. You're welcome. Mine just engaged. I'm in money on both. Take the money out and run. Close those trades down. Is that crazy? Bam. Nice. How beautiful. Gorgeous. All right. So these tiers are available to you guys. Every one of the signals are in here. They're unedited. I usually give you extra signals. I don't count those. I usually give you a walkthrough on what to do. I don't count those. This is me showing you an update on something. Here's the signals themselves. Here's what to look for. So not only do you just get the signals, but I give you my expert advice that I can of me creating the system and what I would do. You guys are grown-ass adults. You'll do what you're going to do. Okay? So these signals are literally and not figuratively 100% accurate. I'm not. Yes, it's going to require the sniper add-on. And the reason it requires the sniper add-on, I'll just call you Brains, blonde with brains, Brains, is because you have to have the ability to verify the signals. Now, eventually, soon enough, I'll sell just a separate signal service. But in order for you to make the call, so when it sends out a signal, Our rules say you have to go verify the trade. In order to verify the trade, you have to have the system and you have to have the sniper to verify the actual trade because the sniper is that accurate. So that's why. Eventually, probably in a couple of years, as a guess, I'll be able to just have, a signal service just without any of that, but the prices will be substantially higher. You'll probably be paying like $800 a month, $900 a month for unlimited with the Hydra. But very good question. Rapid empowerment. Well, yeah, it includes all 3 tier rooms, Rapid, because it is. Room 3, tier 3, includes tier 1 and tier 2. Absolutely. Oh, if you're asking, does it include gold and oil? No longer, no. That was only for the first 2-3 months. Now it is not available. If you want, for instance, just gold, you would pay $150 a month, tier 1 for gold, $150 a month for tier 2, $250 a month for tier 2, $350 a month for tier 3. So no, if you want the indices, SPX, NAS, US 30, tier 1 signal room, $150 a month. If you want both, you pay $150 a month for tier 1, $150 a month for tier 2 for gold, $150 a month for oil. So each one of these is a separate charge. Yeah, you can select the signals for indices, or you can select gold, or you can select oil. Now, again, if you got tier 3 signal service for $350 a month, you literally have Hydra in the palm of your hand. So you can do all the buy stops you want on any symbol for $350 a month. In other words, if you get to $350 a month, you can put it on H-bar, gold, GBP CAD, NVIDIA, Dogecoin, EUR USD, USD CAD. You can put it on anything. So the $350 a month plan for buys is unlimited symbols, unlimited time frames. See, right now, these are 1 hour, 15 minutes you're stuck in. Well, soon when it's upgraded, it won't be, but it is right now. Yeah, so the $350 a month is just unbelievable. I mean, you are going to have, if I'm not clear, Hydra, this thing right here is going to be, where the hell is it? Here. Is going to be right here. You can change this. You can go to 1 hour. You can only see one. You can change anything you want. You can put on aggressive, which means more trades. You can take off aggressive if you want more accuracy. Change it to whatever you want. There'll be alerts. You can take off the labels. You can take off the lines. Everything you see here is going to be on your own computer at home, what I say, in the palm of your hands. So everything. In the money on your NAS, in the money on your SPX. I'm going to close down SPX because I just don't like to trade it. I did it just to show you. You're up money on the 2 calls I made for you. I'm closing down one. These are the calls I just made out live with you, traded them live with you, called out live with you, told you what to do. This is the ones I said, I'm showing what to do. Don't come back later and say, I don't know the fuck when you made that trade. There it is. There's your money on NAS. Bop. There's your money on SPX. Double bop. And it's going to go up and touch the blue line. There you go. So I don't want to hear any shit from any haters. He didn't call it and he didn't trade it with. Really? Then what the fuck are these 2 trades right here? Well, the one I just closed. There it is. And there's that trade. And I'm still in the sell on US 30, by the way. There's my NAS buy. There's my time in. Ha ha ha. Fuck. So, weirdos out there. He doesn't trade live. Really, all I do is trade live. Whenever I have time with you guys, I trade live. I tell you where I went in at. I show you the trade as I'm doing it. Now I'm going to lock in profit. Now this will hopefully not be a losing trade no matter what, but you never know sometimes. But at any rate, we lock in profit and we let this thing run. For how long do we let it run? Well, I don't know. My US 30 sell is still running. And that thing was placed almost a week and a half ago. It's still going. Here's the trade. There's my take profit. There's where we're at with it. Oh, but you could have made so much more money. Bullshit. This trade may keep going down for months. I might make $40,000 off of this trade. I might not. But it's going to keep running until it hits my take profit of 520 pips. Take profit of 500 pips on a live trade. You tell me. Oh, no, look at that beautiful play. That was gorgeous right there. Nicely done on NAS. Ooh, gorgeous. System. Looking forward to Hydra. What's up, Craig? Yes, that is cool, rapid empowerment. All right. Anybody have questions on why I took the trade on NAS? Why I took the trade on SPX? Why I'm in the trade on US 30 sell? Anybody at all have questions? Ask away. I don't want to hear how. No, 99 out of 100 of you are good. There's always, one putz that kind of blows things. That's all. But 99 out of 100 of you guys are fantastic. No questions. No questions, huh? Life is good, isn't it, guys? Where else can you make a couple $100 for market open? Make $3,000-$4,000 over the last week. Not even really watching the trades. I don't know. Pretty handy dandy. All right, I'm going to need a lot of you to come over from. Just showing, did you take the NAS buy because it came down under the 1 hour? I took the NAS buy because it came under. No, I took the NAS buy because it's a 15-minute 1 hour buy stop. The rules are the rules. So let's take a look at exactly. I like this question. Let's watch. Is this NAS? What do we got over here? Yeah, NAS 100. NAS 100 15-minute. Let's go over the rules and see why I took the trade. Shall we? And I would just close it, lock in profit, re-enter it in later again. I don't know. I don't want you guys, well, it's going to go down now. Yep, still sell. Oh, wait. This is only the first up. It's going to cook back down, come back up again, probably around market open. Jeez, come on. All right, this is what we have. Let's open it up. We have on our charts, NAS 1 hour on the left, NAS 15-minute on the right. Jeez, what fucking pizza. There we go. 15-minute on the right. Let's take a look. All right. Here we go. Now, nice. Wonder what's 200 minutes? That's 3 hours and something. Yeah, 180, 3 hours and 20 minutes. Nice. That'd be a good amount of time on a treadmill. All right. I see it. Hadn't even looked at the 15-minute yet. Thanks, God. Oh, you're welcome, Mike. No, I want to go over it anyways. So rules. The reason why the Discord rooms for the signals are calling 100% accuracy because it's a fucking robot. It's fucking code with no emotions. So it follows my rules to 100%. It is 100%. And I expect the signal service to be 80% better. 80%, when 80% of the trades are better, it's at 100. I'm taking that as a win. No argument. Now, the rules. Right here are the rules. Welcome to Safe Trade System. Review the rules daily, multiple times a day. They change. They get updated. Someone in my family actually printed out the rules and never looked at them again. He missed everything. God. So the first rule of the rule is look at the fucking rules. Second rule of the rules are, if you need help for anything, do not email us. Oh, you sound mean. Yep. Don't email us. What you do is you go to the rules first. Go to the Discord. We have a learning room. Ask your questions in the learning room. Go to the YouTube channel. Attend an advanced training session. Ask your questions on my lives. I've asked you a dozen times, do you have any questions? Ask them. If they're not specific to your own account, I'm not going to go over install, but you get the rules. Google is your friend. Google your answer. Some people ask us about TradingView. Oh, what is TradingView's prices for something? Get the fuck out of Dodge. Do not email us. You sound mean. I don't give a fuck. Don't email us. Go to your initial training video. If all of that fails, let me make this larger. Oh, they won't let me here. Fuck. If all of that fails, okay? So if all of this fails, if all of this fails, publishing that, okay? If all of that fails, then email us. I hope I'm clear on that. Sevens, if I'm clear on that, to do everything in your power to answer your own questions because you're adults before emailing us. Sevens, if you understand that. Nines, if you don't. And if you don't, tough shit. Put down a 7 anyways. All right. Now, thank you, John and Rapid. Extremely important trading rule. Look, it has its own little page on my Typeform. This is for everyone. This is a free one. Go ahead, everybody on TikTok, everybody on YouTube. By the way, I have 46 of you on YouTube. I need 20 of you to head over, minimum, over to TikTok. If I don't see it, I'm closing down YouTube. I'll give you some time, though. What time is it? I'll give you like 15 minutes, about 7:15. If I don't see at least 20 people on TikTok, I'm closing down YouTube. Just a friendly heads up. Thank you, Tank Dog, Linda, and Mike Snyder. All right, extremely important trading room. This is a free one. This rule works regardless if you have my system or not. Okay? Regardless if you have my system or not. And this is the rule. You only look for buys or buy stops when price is up and to the left of the EMAs. You only look for sell stops if price is under and to the left. Let me go ahead and show you what this rule looks like. It is so freaking powerful. We're on NAS. Okay? Price came up. This is the first time actually right here. Came up. Came back down, forming our logo. It's up to the left of these EMAs. See all the EMAs? Boom, boom, and even this one. This is your fast twitch one. Boom and boom. Don't worry, you guys are getting updated EMAs. So this is up and to the left. Now, if this was a sell stop, okay, if it was, you're going to force me to go back somewhere. Let's see. We'll go to like a 5 minute. Maybe I can keep it on this symbol. Yes. Okay. If it was, it would be, price would be below your EMAs and coming up. Does that make sense to everybody? What's up, Tracy Ann Davis? Good morning. Yes or no? If price is above and to the left, look for your buy stops. If price is below it, see how it's above it? Look for the buys. What's up, Casey? Good morning. It's my time. Good morning, Casey. You're welcome, Casey. Just hope this is a general rule of trading that I don't think anyone ever teaches. I never came across it in my 9 years of training, ever. And it's the most basic thing on earth. That's why it has its own little area right here, its own little page on my type form. Okay? Step one. Now, these are the steps to trade my system. There's only two, step one and step two. Step one is on the hourly chart. Step two is on the 15-minute chart. On the hourly chart, you wait for the sniper. I'll explain that. And you look for the logo. On step two, you go to the 15-minute charts. You look at the sniper. And then you go to the logo. So let's show you. Here it is. Our logo, let's start from the beginning, looks like, let me show you a better picture of it. Our logo looks exactly like this. So fucking cool. Badass bull. Green is up. That's all that we care about. Red is down. The green up. The green up is what we're looking for because of the way I just showed you the first rule was. All right. So the green up. Let's take a look. What does it look like? Let's go over here and we'll draw it out. Let's see if we can find a green up logo. Price started below, told to come up, comes back down, hooks, and that's what we're looking for. Actually, we're already in the money on it, not looking for it. That's what I did. Oh, well, that's cool. That's our 1 hour chart. So what's the 15-minute look next to it? Gee whiz, I don't know. Price started below. The first one would have been here, came up, and then here, and then there. Again, to the left of it. We can't look for a sell stop on the 1 hour and 15-minute because it's up to the up and left, up and left. I just taught you that. Look at the money you're making. It's going up as we speak, by the way. So there you go. Logo on the 15, logo on thing. Well, what does it look like on the sniper? Look at this shit. Look at how fucking beautiful this is. Watch. Look how easy this is. Look at it go up before your very eyes. Look at it go up as I'm talking to you, explaining you this buy. I just made $131. Zippity, $134. Doo-dah, zippity, yay. There it is right there. That's that trade. 140, 142. Already locked in profit, 147. So anywho, as I'm teaching you this, I'm trading this, and we're making money together. Well, hopefully y'all are. All right, let's go back to our 1 hours and stuff. Hold on. All right, take a look. The sniper, $150 a month. I always said figuratively, I would sell my car, buy a junker, invest the difference, and pay $150 a month for the sniper. One of our members did that. So now it isn't just figuratively, he literally did that. Right here. Blue line came up. Number one, blue line high. Number two, blue line came low over here on the 15-minute. Number three, pink down with it. Yep. Number four, buy stop right here. And there it is. And now you're in the money, $170. As I'm talking to you, it's going up and I'm making more and more money. Live, with a live trade, $177. Take your money, lock in profit, close the trade down. I don't care. Look at that. So that is the power of following the rules. John asked, why did I take the trade? And my response would be, why the fuck wouldn't I? First of all, it's calling up on our Hydra, if you guys can see this. Look. 1 hour, 5 minute buy stop. Perfectly called. Perfectly executed. Perfectly everything. Even if it goes down, and it's going to come back down, actually. It's going to hook, come back down, and then somewhere between 10:30 and 11:30, it'll come 9:30 and 10:30, it'll come back up again. But anywho, take the money now. You just made $200, $300, $400 on a trade. Take the money and run. People are greedy sometimes. All right, so John, she's flying high. I don't know if the Nats 1 minute. Ricochet, says Jay Parker. Nice, Jay. It was John, right? Hold on, where did John go? How do we know when it's changing directions, Matt asked. Oh, I'll show you. That's what the H&H scanner's for. Mike Snyder, that makes sense to you why I took this trade and how I called it out? Simply by following the 1 hour, 15-minute rules that are indisputable, that are 100% undeniable. How do I know they're 100%? These are the same rules that go back to gold to 1970 with 100% accuracy. Also, currently, we're 55-0, 55 wins, 0 losses on our current calls, 1 hour and 15 minutes. I just happened to make one live with you guys, trade it live with you, and of course, we're up a pretty good amount of money. It was me, clear as day, says Mike. Cool, Mike. Just want to make sure. How do we know when we're changing directions? It's in the rules. So let's go to the rules. How do you know when it changes directions? I'm confused as fuck. I'm glad you're asking the questions, but I'm confused as fuck how you guys and why you are asking these questions when it's in the rules. Say, oh, it's in the rules that it's changing directions because we know because of the H&H scanner. That's fine. Is that true? Ask me that way, and I'm much more patient. But to say, how do we know when it's changing directions is silly, is absolutely 100% silly. Don't that half moon's so important too. Extremely important. Runners, let them run, okay? So look, I'm just reviewing the rules for you so you can see this is how many pips to take. Close one down. Extremely important. Sniper add-on. Super important. Just, I want you to see all these. You can copy these down. You can pause it later. This is about a scammy bullshit. It pissed me off so bad I put it in the rules. This is if you have any questions. She had so many, it was embarrassing. Here it is. There's always one with the best setup. Always trade that one. Where can you get? Oh, here you go. How do you know when the safety trade has finished? So how do you know when one safety trade is finished and the other one is coming up? How do we, Matt asked, how do we know when it's changing direction? Same thing. You want me to write that in there? I guess I could. By using the H&H blue line scanner, the 15, 30 second and or the 1 minute candles on the H&H scanner will change colors. For example, if you're in a 1 hour, 5 minute sell stop, when the sell stop is starting to be done, you will see one of the indices arrows on the H&H scanner change. So 15 second, 30 second from red to green. This is when you should look for the exact same thing happen to remaining 2 indices. Where can you get the scanner? Right here. So I hope that, so in other words, how do we know that this might be turning around? Well, we go over to our scanner room and we start looking for some of these possibilities it's going to change around. Okay, so the H&H scan, let's look at NAS, for instance. Let me pull this back over here. I hope that made sense to everybody about how to look at the 1 hour, 15 minutes. Literally did it before your eyes today. Literally made a couple $100 live today. Took the trade with you live today. Yes, I can't trade live with you when I'm trying to fucking code all this other shit I'm trying to bring to you, and you guys want me to trade live. So now we've changed our call time with me and Keith so I can try to do it. And I'm telling you, if this goes down and re-hooks, I'll re-enter this trade again. Okay? So let's go down here into the weirdness level of 15 seconds and see what, oh, there it is. So here's 15 seconds. Let's make this bigger. All right. So now, what is inside of here? Oh, just beautiful too. Just perfection right here. What is this? You know, I'm going to delete these. It's just easier for me to recreate them. All right. What is this? Everybody, And not only is it a certain something, but it's to the blue line. What's inside of here? On NAS, 15 seconds. These are 15-second candles. Green, 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 red, green, green, and then, of course, the blue dipped, which is most important for the sniper. LT, buy stop. Correct. Buy stop, Tracy Ann. Buy stop, rapid empowerment. Everybody on TikTok should watch too. By the way, it's not looking good for the home team. You guys got less than 5 minutes to head over from YouTube to TikTok. I need at least another 10 of you more to head over there. The TikTok is real direction. The real safety trade system, and then my name. It's the only one live. None of the fraudulent people can do this because, well, they can't do it. So you got less than 5 minutes to head over from YouTube to TikTok. I need at least 10 of you to go over there. I need to be in the mid-20s. Otherwise, I'll be ditching YouTube. Good morning, Annie Apple. The cutest little name on earth. Good morning, Annie. That's funny. Okay, this is a buy stop. Not only is it a buy stop, it's a buy stop to the 15-second blue line. The safest money you could have made. Now, it wouldn't be a lot. My God in heaven, my goodness, sorry. You're dealing with 15-second candles. But if you guys only traded this, I can't even read it. It would have gone, really? About 10, maybe 15 pips up. Wow, that is pretty good, actually. So, yep, there it is. 15-second told you NAS could be switching. Not saying it's going to, but you could have made that trade. Look at how many 15 seconds. And I'm sure if we opened up the 30 or the 1 minute, it would be, yeah, it's tall there. There you go. So you know by looking at your lower time frames, the order in which, let's go back to our rules. The order in which look, the order in which, sorry, there we go. Always trade the 1 hour, 15 minutes if you're a beginner. Keep checking. The order in which the safety trades develop are, technically, I got to add that too. Hold on, thank you. 15 second, doop. 30 second, doop. 1 minute, 3 minute, technically, doop, doop. And 5 minute, publish. See, your rules have been updated twice today. Yep, that's my alarm. All right, do we have enough people? No, we do not. All right, I'm going to be closing off of YouTube. Thank you all for being on YouTube. I'm heading over to TikTok. Thank you, Taylor Shaw, for coming over from YouTube to TikTok. I guess I'll give you guys 1 more minute, and that's it. TikTok is going to overtake. I'm closing down YouTube. If you want to see the rest of this, head over to YouTube. Head over to TikTok, sorry. Thank you all for everybody being on YouTube. And unless I get at least, well, we're getting up there, another 4 or 5 people, I'm going to have to close down the YouTube feed. I'll give you guys another 30 seconds, I guess. That's all right. All right. Well, thank you guys on YouTube. Heading over to TikTok. God bless y'all. Talk to y'all later. See ya.